Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to hide views of your Reels tab. So in your Reels tab, all the view count will be hidden. So you may have noticed this type of pop-up in your Instagram account while using it. So when you will click on go to settings, you will get the option to enable this. So when you will enable, the view count will be removed from your Reels tab. So if you have not received, so how to hide a view count in your Reels tab, I will show you in my mobile screen. So here you can see my mobile screen. You need to click on the three line here. You have to scroll and go to creator tools and control. So before that, I will show you. You can see the view count is visible for me. I will go to three line. We'll go to creator tools. Here you can see the option as view count on profile. I will click on this and I will click on enable this. You can see it is enabled. Now I will go back and I will check the view count. You can see it has been disabled. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.